will have to live in this new normal of the life. This COVID or 19 has turned the whole world upside down, and we cannot be away from it. The economic situation of the country and the world is going to be dicey, not only for this year, but maybe for the first half of the next 6 months of the 2021. 2020, hopefully by end of the year, we will have some movement coming in because of the season, Christmas season. And the best part is that as far as export part is concerned, China and USA are doing a little bit better compared to the other countries of the world. Whether it is diamond, gold or platinum or silver, anything you talk about, it will have a big hit. And in my opinion, the business would shrink to about 40% of what it was. So if $130 billion industry will go to $60-70 billion industry, and one will have to cope with it. You develop your niche and try to stay within these limits and the norms which you mark yourself, and stay within that. If you develop niche, if you try to find a way out of it, you will be a winner all the way. And hopefully by 2021 second half, everyone would be in a better frame of mind. The new normal would be, and I also agree entirely, it will be technology driven to a great extent. The people coming to the stores would be less, it will be online. The new things which need to come in the industry would be the augmented reality, the artificial intelligence. All these things are omni-channels, all these things are going to come, and you need to gear up for that. Whether it is in the manufacturing sector, retail sector or promotional efforts. Everywhere you will have to use the technology to a great extent. Since hundreds of years we are into the jewelry industry, but still we are not able to supply to the brands of the world. Cartier or Tiffany don't buy from India. Though our exports are increasing day by day, we have got a great manpower, we are strong in diamonds and color stones, but in spite of that, the world's brands are preferring either Hong Kong or Italy. So we have to catch that segment, we have to follow that segment and see how we can, with Indian prices, we can match the requirement of these brands of the world. Today also, in spite of this COVID, the brands are doing reasonably well. You see, even in India also, Tanishq or Malabar are doing reasonably well compared to the other jewelers or other retailers. Why? Because of the product, the consistency, the workmanship and the ethics. Ethical business practices are the most important. We are one of the largest industry here. 5 million people are employed in this industry. There are 300,000 showrooms, and a lot of efforts are required by all of us. History of the jewelry industry is great, and the government support is necessary. And